everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is going to be the third update for the Shaaanxo palette. I'm trying to pan this whole palette this year. I'm trying. We're seeing how it's going so far. So I had quite a few goals on the last update, so yeah, let's just get into those. So the first goal I had was to hit pan on 2 of the lipsticks, and I wanted to use the palette 5 times per week this month. I wanted to use each shade at least 3 times, and then I wanted to hit pan on the shade Holy Grail. So let's go ahead and take a look at the palette and see how it's going. So there is the eyeshadow side. As you can see, I did hit my goal of hitting pan in Holy Grail. And I did use each shade in here at least 3 times. I'm noticing a little bit of a bigger dip in Clarity and in Glow Baby, these 2 top ones right here. And that's about it, really. I don't really see much change in the rest of them. Then on the lipstick side, I actually hit pan in 4 of them instead of just 2 like I wanted. So yeah, using them 3 times will let you hit pan, just so you know. So I hit pan on, I knew I was going to hit pan on this one and then one of these 2, and I did that, and then I also hit pan on this one, which I didn't think I would. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that progress. So they shouldn't take that long to use up if it was that quick to hit pan. I think I'm just going to focus on using this in conjunction with my Kat Von D Ladybird palette that it's in my other project pan, and not really focus on this because I did this whole little like note card thing, or the sticky note of all the things that I wanted to use, and tally marks of how many times I use each one. That was just too much. Like, it was a lot to keep up with, and it kind of like occupied my mind quite a bit when I was doing my makeup, so I don't want to do that again. But I think that was good to just show me how many times of using something it would take to hit pan. So I would like to hit pan in the shade Clarity, this light nude, or this the light matte shade, and then I might be able to hit pan in Beach Babe, this bronzy one. I use that quite a bit with the Ladybird palette. And also in Glow Baby, I use that one too if I'm just doing a really quick, like not really bold, just something easy. As far as lipsticks, I think I just want to focus on 1 at a time from now on. So maybe I will start with this one since it is still in the winter, and then just kind of work my way back up. And maybe, so I'll try to finish up this one this month. We'll see how that goes. I'm not holding my breath, but I'll try it. So again, I just want to use this in conjunction with my Ladybird palette. I want to hit pan on Clarity and Beach Babe, and then I want to try to finish off this dark lip shade right here. So I'm not gonna do it a certain number of times I have to use this. It's just whatever happens, because that took up a lot of my time with this palette. So hope that was helpful. Let me know if you thought that was interesting. If you're panning a palette also, if you're panning this palette, let me know how you're doing. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.